Rico.
Yeah! Alright! Time to kick it into high gear! Oh, cool! This is gonna be awesome! Let's show them what real speed looks like!
Think you're the fake hedgehog around here? You're comparing yourself to me? Huh.
If we get into the limo, we can trace the call to...
That's me! That's one spooky look on my face.
What? I knew you were behind all this. Stop it right now, or else...
Status.
It's no good, Skipper. I don't know the codes.
Don't give me excuses. Give me results. Navigation. All right. Let me see. And shut him up.
I did it!
Let me get this tin can turned around.
Oh no!
Logan!
Tails? Knuckles!
Get out, you... Playtime is over.
Shadow,